High-paying work-from-home jobs with no experience. You've probably seen web advertisements that claim you can make $2,000 per week working just 2 hours a day from home. No prior experience is needed. Or the remarks made on social media about items that have nothing to do with each other, such as, I made $120,000 a year working 5 hours a week online utilizing this website. If we had to be honest, it does look too good to be true. And it is. There isn't a one simple approach that will enable you to earn online pay. That is drastically more than what you would earn in regular in-person employment in a short amount of time. However, it is possible to locate good, honest work online that doesn't require much or any experience. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be telling you the best jobs that you can get without having any work experience. So sit back, relax, and get ready to see your bank account blow up. Number 9. Data Entry Clerk. With an average salary of over $34,000, data entry clerks enter data into databases, computer programs, spreadsheets, printed documents, order forms, and other sources. These sources are typically digital. They might also be in charge of fact-checking and error-checking data. For instance, a business that processes financial accounts may require data entry clerks to manually type or verify invoices or other bills for clients outside the organization. With only high school graduation and no prior work experience, many businesses may hire data entry clerks or keyers on a full-time, part-time, or freelance basis. This is a typical work-from-home position because businesses today process a lot of digital data and information. The best part is that data entry is a job that can be done at off hours, so you can do this as a side gig while working on other projects as well. Number 8. Proofreader or copy editor. With an average salary of nearly $50,000, copy editors and proofreaders have slightly different responsibilities, although both work to ensure that written material is error-free. Proofreaders check a document for any grammatical or stylistic problems, improper formatting, or typos. They are frequently the last set of eyes to review a text before it is printed, published, or placed online. Copy editors perform similar work, but they may additionally edit the sentences and paragraphs of a piece of writing to ensure accuracy and clarity. There are options to work as a contractor or freelancer on a project-by-project basis, in addition to hiring in-person or remote proofreaders or copy editors to work part or full-time for businesses that produce a lot of written material. You'll need an accurate grasp of English, spelling, and grammatical rules, and a sharp eye for detail to become a proofreader or copy editor. You should also anticipate completing a skills exam before being employed. It will probably be a plus if you have knowledge of the company's style, manual, or experience with the subject matter they deal with. Although not always, copy editors and proofreaders frequently hold degrees in English, communication, or a closely related field. Yet, in some situations, you can get copy editing and proofreading jobs without any prior work experience. Number 7. Virtual and administrative assistants. Administrative assistants, often known as virtual assistants if the employment is entirely online, may be required to react to emails and other communications, organize meetings, write memos, maintain databases and filing, or carry out any other necessary clerical tasks, depending on the company. Administrative assistants with a focus on serving one or more individuals inside a corporation are known as executive assistants. In addition to their administrative assistant responsibilities, they might plan trips, take meeting notes for their executive, organize their calendar, and conduct research. This is a fantastic career for those who require flexible work schedules, but are incredibly organized, perform well without direction, and have excellent problem-solving abilities. Many administrative assistants can now work full or part-time schedules entirely online in today's increasingly digital world. However, not all administrative or executive assistants have exclusively online responsibilities. Read the job description carefully before applying. Most of the time, high school graduation is enough to get one of these positions, but other employers would prefer a college degree. Although executive assistant positions may demand more experience, many administrative assistant positions are entry-level. These assistants get paid $45,000 to $50,000 on average. Number 6. Social Media Manager. Organizations require social media coordinators and managers to help manage their Twitter, Facebook, and other accounts as the importance of a company's online presence grows. A social media manager may be in charge of planning and scheduling posts across social media platforms, writing the copy and designing the graphics for these posts, responding to audience comments and questions that appear in social feeds, tracking social performance, and developing and implementing social media marketing campaigns and strategies. These duties vary depending on the company. A position with the title Social Media Manager may be entry-level at a smaller company with no marketing department at all. Or it may be a higher-level role with more duties and even direct reporting at a corporation with a larger marketing team. A social media coordinator typically has an early career or entry-level employment. You can find remote social media coordinator and manager positions from small businesses to major IT firms. These positions might be full-time, part-time, or freelance. It will help if you can provide examples of accounts you've successfully managed, whether they were your own or someone else's, if you're interested in working as a social media manager or a coordinator. You'll need to show that you have a firm grasp of the nuances of various social platforms, especially Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You will stand out if you have strong writing abilities as well as data analysis skills. It's not always necessary to have a bachelor's degree to land a job, especially if you have a great portfolio. But many jobs call for a marketing or related degree. In this position, you can expect to make nearly $45,000. Number 5. Copy or content writer. Copywriters produce written, typically succinct content with the goal of promoting a concept, good, service, or brand. They could be the ones who write the content for websites, product packages, social media posts, or any number of sales or marketing tools. Generally, a bachelor's degree in marketing, writing, or communications is typically required for copywriter roles. A copywriter will generally get paid nearly $38,000. Compared to copywriters, content writers typically produce longer form work, including articles based on interviews, original sources, and subject matter expertise. Their main objective is usually to inform, educate, or raise brand recognition, while increasing online traffic for the business. For maximum freedom with their work schedules, content writers can work in full or part-time jobs or as independent contractors. A content writer can also get paid around a similar range or slightly higher. Number 4. Customer service representative. Customers of a business can contact customer service professionals by phone, chat, or email for assistance in resolving issues with or inquiries regarding the company's goods or services. However, you must be cautious about the positions you apply for and accept, because many of them have rigid schedules and provide little room for advancement. If you're looking for flexible hours and prospects for promotion, make sure to ask about them. People who enjoy social interaction and are able to handle potentially irate consumers are perfect for this position. As a phone support representative, you must have a quiet backdrop and be available without interruption during predetermined hours. Therefore, it is advised that this profession isn't necessarily the best option for people with children or other caregiving responsibilities. However, some customer service positions involve email or chat, in which case noise is not an issue. Frequently, you can work as a customer service agent without any prior experience. Number 3. English teacher. If you are one who is fluent in English and you enjoy socializing with peers from different countries, this job is perfect for you. Online English instructors provide instruction to pupils from nations where English is not the national tongue. Due to time zone differences, this position is ideal for past teachers, or if you don't mind working really early in the morning. Online English teaching agencies frequently provide you with the tools you need to instruct your pupils, such as lesson plans, access to online language learning resources, or games. A TESOL or TEFL certificate, which certifies that you are qualified to teach English as a second language or foreign language, is often required by these companies for online English teachers, but some only ask for a bachelor's degree and native level English proficiency. So why don't you start teaching English and enjoy the benefits of nearly $45,000 every year? Number 2. Community manager. The moderation and management of a brand or organization's audience across social media groups, Slack channels, online forums, and other communities fall under the duties of community managers. The duties of community administrators may include responding to queries, facilitating discussions, and adding and removing members from groups. According to Inman, this online position is ideal for extroverts who won't get worn out from interacting with people online all day. It frequently has a somewhat flexible schedule. Community managers should be proficient in social media, have a passion for it, and have excellent written communication abilities. Additionally, you don't need a degree or prior experience to apply for this position. Number 1. Graphic designer. Graphic designers produce images that convey the concepts, ideologies, and aesthetics that a company, business, or person is attempting to promote. Graphic designers typically create art digitally or translate handmade art into digital media. They may deal with words, images, or both. Almost any visuals a business requires can be created by a graphic designer, including logos, product packaging, infographics, social media photos, and even components of websites and software. The majority of graphic designers' work is done alone using a computer and other equipment they can easily store at home, which makes it a perfect online career once they know what their employers or clients require. The job will yield you an average of $50,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the top 9 jobs that you can get without having any prior experience. If you have the right skill, then you better start applying for these jobs because in the growing world, these job profiles have become very common and necessary for that matter. Which one of these jobs will you be applying for? Let us know in the comments.